This time I am trying to upload the second video, and that is the second stage of matching, and that is in semi-concrete level. Sorry, not semi-concrete level. Okay. So in this semi-concrete level, we will use flashcards or pictures of the common things, which are very much common to him or her or that kind of child. So in this stage, we will introduce with the known object, which he or she is very much familiar with that object. Here I have chosen this kind of cap. Okay, now I will move to the process of teaching. See, beta, this is a thing. Like this, we have to match. Like this color, we have to match with another one. Okay, the same color. This kind of color, we have to match. Same color. So now I am introducing this kind of flashcards. Now ask the child to match with it. So the child will match, and I will reinforce him or her. This is the first one in the second stage, that is semi-concrete level. Then I will introduce the second color. Now I will ask the child to match with the same color. Again, he or she will match with the same color, that is red. Then I will introduce the third color. Then I will ask the child to match with the same color, and here I can change the position of the color. Maybe I will place like this, maybe I will place like this. I can change. This is the second stage of matching. When the matching stage done about 80%, then we will introduce the second point of color concept, that is identification. For the identification, we will follow the same rule, that is first concrete, then semi-concrete. For the concrete thing, we will follow the same thing which we had done in the matching. Concrete to concrete, 1:1, then 1:2, then 1:3. Then we will introduce the semi-concrete level, and that time we will introduce like this. This in the second stage, semi-concrete level. So I will introduce this kind of. Now I am introducing in the identification stage the name of the thing. So the name of the color. I am going to teach the color concept. So I will take the name of this color, because the target color is red. I am going to teach red color. So I will introduce the name. This is a red color, or this is red. Like this red color, we have to find out where is the another red one. So I will give him two options. Okay, red and yellow maybe, or red and green, blue maybe. So I will give him this thing to see, and then I will ask him to choose or find out any one instruction. So I will ask him to find out the same color. Now he will observe the both color and see the same thing. Now I will encourage him to find out where is the same color, that red color. I will using so many times the red color. So this is red, and this is red, this is red, this is yellow. So you have to find out where is the another red. So he or she will find out like this. Then we will introduce the third color. that is blue. Now I will ask the child, see. Now I will ask the child, this is red color, and you have to find out like the same color with same color. Where is the another red color? Find out. This is red. You have to find out the another red color. So he or she will find out this color. This is the second stage of identification. Okay. When the student or child learn this stage about 80%, then we will move to naming stage, the third one. Naming stage, we will ask the child to name of that thing. What is this? Previous stage we will introduce, we will repeatedly use that word which are the target word. That is, here I am using the red one. So I introduce that word frequently. Okay, and in this stage I will encourage the child to ask the name of that color. Okay, what color it is. Now he or she will able to say this is red, or maybe whenever I will say the name of that color, lip stretching will be present. Okay, for the all kind of students, I will using clear voice, clear lip stretching like this, red. So when the child will observe, he or she will observe the lip construction also, this kind of lip stretching. So he or she will able to say like this for those who are non-verbal. Okay, and for the verbal, those who are verbal, they will say red. Okay, so there are 3 stages: matching, identification, naming, and the 4th one is generalization. What is that? It's very important in this stage. Mix the colors and ask the child, show him this like this. This is red color. Which color is this, my dear? He or she will say this is red color. Now find out all the things which are red. Okay, find out all the things which are red and keep it in this box or bucket. So whenever we go outside in this generalization stage, we will give the child maximum exposure to learn the color concept. We will go to the market. We will ask him in the household chores to identify the color or to identify the things which I am going to teach. In this generalization stage, he or she is able to identify the color also, name the color also. Okay, thank you.